prove that 0 factorial is equal 1. So, how to prove this? So, to prove this, the first method is to find the factorial of a natural number. For example, 1 factorial is equal to 1. 2 factorial is equal to times 1, which is equal to. It means that when you say factorial, is the product of the number with the product of the number whose the factorial in the previous up to 1. So 3 factorial is equal what? Is equal 3 times 2 times 1, which is equal 6. So 4 factorial is equal what? The 4 factorial is equal 4 plus 3 times 3 times 2 times 1. This is equal 24. So n factorial is equal n times n minus 1 times and so on. So when you need to find the 0 factorial is located here. So the first of all, in mathematics, there is many methods. We compare this and that. So from this up to that, we divide by from 4 to 3, we divide by 3. For that also, we divide by 4, this by 3, by 2. In order to get this we get divided by 4. From that, we divide by 3. From that, we divide by 2. And get this. From this up to that, also we divide by 1. So that means that 1 divided by 1 is equal what? 1 divided by 1, we get 1. So in that case, 0 factorial is equal 1. It is understandable? So, very good. So if you have any question, ask us any comment. Thank you.